Think becoming a millionaire is only for the high earners? Think again. Today, we're diving deep into how you can build a $1 million portfolio, even on a modest income. Stay tuned as we explore every strategy that can turn every dollar you earn into a step towards your $1 million goal. But first, do you believe that amassing a fortune is impossible on your current salary? Stick around. By the end of this video, you might just start to see your financial situation in a whole new light. To set off on your journey to millions, knowing your starting point is key. How well do you know your net income? What about your monthly expenses? Let's start with the basics, crafting a budget that paves your path to wealth. By tracking every penny, you gain invaluable insights into where cuts can be made and savings increased. A meticulous budget isn't just about restraint, it's your most powerful tool in wealth accumulation. Let's demystify compound interest, the silent force behind wealth accumulation. Imagine you're saving $300 a month. With an average return of 7% per year, compounded monthly, you might expect decent growth. But what if you invest this sum consistently for 40 years? You'd accumulate over $600,000, halfway to $1 million without any additional effort. And what if every year as your salary increases, you add just a bit more to that monthly investment? The potential growth is staggering. Where you invest is as important as how much. It's not just about high-yield savings accounts or low-cost index funds. Let's explore diversified investment strategies that minimize risks and maximize returns. From real estate ventures to stocks and bonds, the right mix can propel your savings into 7 figures. Diversification is your best defense against market volatility and the key to consistent growth. Let's tackle your largest expenses, housing, cars and groceries. Imagine if downsizing your apartment saves you $300 monthly, buying a reliable used car saves $200, and smart grocery shopping cuts another $100. That's $600 every month to fuel your investments. Each dollar saved is a dollar that could be earning you more dollars. It's a virtuous cycle that builds wealth. Cost-cutting is crucial, but what about boosting your income? From freelancing to creating digital products, extra income streams can significantly expedite your journey to $1 million. Consider this, an extra $200 monthly from a side gig invested wisely could shorten your timeline to becoming a millionaire by years. Millionaires think differently about money. They prioritize saving, investing, and continuous learning about finance. They also avoid debts that cripple financial growth, such as high-interest loans and credit cards. Adopting these habits isn't just about having money, it's about mastering it. Regular reviews of your financial plan will keep you on track and aware of opportunities. So, is becoming a millionaire on a low salary feasible? Absolutely. It's about leveraging the power of smart financial decisions, consistent investment, and the magic of compound interest. Start small, think big, and stay committed. If these strategies resonate with you, like, subscribe, and share this video. Tell us in the comments which tip you'll implement first or share your own strategies for financial success.